Learn HTML018. Meaningless sentence Lorem ipsum. We have been studying single or double quotes that wrap attribute values in last 17th video. In this 18th video, I would like to introduce Lorem ipsum, which is used as a meaningless text in layout. The main contents are as follows. 1. What is Lorem ipsum? 2. How to go Lorem ipsum webpage. 3. How to use the Lorem ipsum web page. 4. Let's code the Lorem ipsum. 1. What is Lorem ipsum? Lorem ipsum is abbreviated as lipsum. It began in Latin in the De Finibus Notorum et Malorum of Cicero, around the 1st century BC. Lorem ipsum is a simple dummy text that is a meaningless sentence used to help with graphic elements such as font and layout or visual operation and web development. But it can help you understand the layout before the actual sentence contents are filled in the final result. When we do graphic elements such as font and layout through web pages, we pay attention to sentences that are meaningful, which reduces concentration on layouts that need focus. Lorem ipsum creates meaningless sentences such as sentences, paragraphs, and pages with natural text so that it can focus on layout rather than content. Especially, it is useful to use when the content is still undecided or when it is difficult to include the actual content. To how to go Lorem ipsum webpage. In order to use Lorem ipsum, you need to use a website that provides Lorem ipsum service. Enter the search site, Google. Enter Lorem ipsum as the search term. Click www.lipsum.com at the top. The Lorem ipsum web page appears. 3. How to use the Lorem ipsum web page. Choice of various languages. As you can see at the top of the web page, you can choose Lorem ipsum in various languages. You can select the Lorem ipsum displayed in English as the default screen. And you can also select Lorem ipsum in Chinese. 4 selection types and 1 option available. When you see the red square box at the bottom of the web page, you can create one of 4 types: paragraph, words, bytes, lists. You can also choose whether to start with Lorem ipsum $sit as an option. After selecting the type, click Generate Lorem ipsum. We chose one paragraph as type of Lorem ipsum, and the option to start with Lorem ipsum $sit is selected. We chose 10 words for the type of Lorem ipsum, and the option to start with Lorem ipsum $sit is selected. We chose 100 bytes as the type of Lorem ipsum, and the option to start with Lorem ipsum $sit is selected. We selected 3 lists as types of Lorem ipsum, and the option to start with Lorem ipsum $sit is selected. We chose 3 paragraphs as types of Lorem ipsum, and the option to start with Lorem ipsum $sit is not selected. For Let's Code the Lorem ipsum,